All right, girls, this play is called Power, and it's we hold up a fist, or if you're Logan, you flex. This is a 1-2-2 half core press. We'll probably run this more than Storm, which is the 1-3-1 half core press. It's just a little safer, and it kind of requires less running. We run this play to create turnovers for the other team, to slow the other team down, or to prevent them from getting right into their offense. Normally we might do this after a make, but I will say this first of all. Let's just say that 1 is here, their 1, and our 1 should be picking up them about the free throw line or 3-point line in this area, because we don't want them just making a quick pass over the top of us. We want to kind of distract them early on. The goal, just like most any press, is we want to keep them out of this middle area. So remember that is the goal. Let's just say that 1 passes the ball up to 2, 2 has the ball. Our 1 will come over, and she will be standing like this, trying to prevent the girl from going into the middle or from dribbling it back around. She wants to bounce the girl. If anything, we almost want her here, pushing the girl this way. But again, we don't want her to just dribble right through the middle. So that's where she'll be. And then what we want to do is 3 will shift over. So if the ball's on this side, everybody will shift. If you were to split the court into thirds, everybody would shift into this third and this third, and we'll leave this third wide open, because we'll let them try to throw the pass over the top, because we can pick it off or we can recover. So just remember that we're trying to split the court into thirds. Again, if 2 try, what we're trying to do is get 2. We don't want 3 if 2 has the ball, we want 3 to come over, and we want to make it seem like 2 can dribble right here, which is where we want them. At which point 2 will come to this point, 4 will come up and deny here, and 5 will come over and deny here. 1 will trap, so we'll have our 1 here and our 3 here, and we're setting up this trap here for 2. Our 2, again, should be right in this area. If this girl tries to throw it over, we want her to go get it, or if she tries to throw it here, we want her to go get it. We don't want any easy passes. If she reverses it all the way over the top, our 2 will come and deny this girl or keep her from going into the middle, while 1 runs over. And then everybody just shifts. So if the ball's in the middle, we're home. So meaning we're in our 1-2-2, looks kind of like that. But what we want is we want the ball, like if they skip it over the top, our 2 is going to run all the way over here, our 1's going to run all the way over here, and then everybody else is going to shift so that we're taking away, again, we want to take away the middle third and the opposite side third, and we'll leave this wide open. So that's Power in a nutshell. I know this looks super messy, but again, it's just set up in a 1-2-2 half court press, and we're doing it because we're trying to get them to waste time, make a stupid pass, and we're looking to trap. Honestly, we're looking to trap in these areas right here and right here. Something that I did not mention is, let's say that the ball is here. We've got our 1, we've got our 2, our 3 should be here, our 4 should be here, our 5 should be here. But let's say the pass does come here. Our 5 has got to sprint to here, and then we want our 2 to turn around, come to here, our 4 to be here, 3 to be here, and 1, we'd want them denying the pass back out. So again, we're looking to trap, we're looking to trap anything on these outside thirds. So we can be aggressive, but our weak side help. Let's say the pass were to get into here, these guys have got to be super fast, 3 and 4, they got to be super fast to going down and protecting the basket, because we don't want a quick pass here for a layup. That's typically how people beat this. So